I don't know what we're going to do, but Donald Trump is now president. What do you think we should do?
I'm sorry, I was smoking a Kush none.
Damn.
Hey, baby, don't leave me. No. Oh, yeah. Hey, turn around, twerk it, girl. Let me see that shit.
Hey, come back over here,
Come here, girl. I love you.
Oh, yeah, look at you.
Baby,
That shit.
baby, I ain't shitting you. You my favorite turn. Look at
Rub
this.
the clit like Miley.
Look at this shit around that critter.
Oh, dear God.
You got us smoking, and I'm fucking seeing fucking aliens and shit. Give me that. Did you see that shit? Yeah. Well, watch yourself. There's a spider.
Man, fuck that spider.
I'm worried about that fucking ship out there. Ooh, spider. Here.
Hold on. Eat it. Hold on.
Man, look. So what you gonna do, man?
Check it out. Yeah, take it easy. We even got slow jam. Play another slow jam. We don't rap, man. Don't mother for me. Don't mother for me. Don't mother for me. I just want to take it nice and slow. Tell me what you want to do with me. That's right. Yeah. SWA, man. We got Special with an Attitude. Get that album now, man. Yeah, man. Don't motive for me. Don't motive for me.
You got me all hot and bothered. Why don't you come up here and say hi?
I'm so moist right now.
Why don't you come up here and say hello?
Come on, baby.
Come say hello to my little friend.
Don't leave me. My dick is hard.
This man has the biggest penis I've ever seen, smelled, or drug across my face.
It's fruity delicious. Look at this one. Come on.
You know you
Come on.
Locker room. Assistant coach come out. So, coach, did you execute your plan?
Yes, we did. We had a good game. And now we are waiting on the MVP. Mark Myers, you're the MVP of the Super Bowl. What are you going to do?
I can marry a white girl.
You know you
Come on, girl. Come up here. Let's get some of this.
Don't play hard to get.
Come and get these dollars, girl. Come here, get these dollars.
You don't got to act all bashful. Girl.
See, bitch, I got these dollars. Dollar bill. You got the... Strip for your money, whore. Come on.
You know, when I had these little dark spots on my skin, I use M3G dark spot removal. I put that stuff on everything. And it works great, too.
See, that shit really works on everything.